So good afternoon to everyone. Today, like as we aware that in normal days, in every district, every village, every people of the particular area, they do organize sports meet, annual sports meet. But this time, as we know that many people they are staying in the relief camp, and many children and students they are also staying in the relief camp. So that's what, considering their welfare and just to encourage them and just to bring some positivity in their mind, from district administration Jiribam, we have discussed and decided to organize this sports and recreative meet. So today, since the morning, many sports activities are being conducted. So two locations have been opted. One was Jiribam Higher Secondary School and second Vidyanagar Sports Complex, because here we are having more than 4 relief camps. So since morning various activities are being conducted, and the participation from the IDP side and from the small kid, if I would say, was very enthusiastic. After seeing their enthusiasm and participation, which is very high, and it is also giving us satisfaction, because at the end we are able to bring some smile on their faces, because they are staying in the relief camp from the long time. So we can understand, of course we are arranging all the things, we are taking care of them, but sometimes just to bring some a happiness and a smile on the faces of IDPs, and especially all the small children and students. So that's what we are organizing this sports meet today. So I would also expecting this will be continued tomorrow also, and we need coordination and cooperation from other departments which are already in the place. So I am hoping and also wishing for successful implementation of all the activities which will be going on. Thank you.